Big up to yourself for that shit. I see you. Woo! Alright guys, sorry that was a test. That was just a test. Alright peeps, good night. Good night, good night, good night. And we have the lovely Miss Sinus here. It's been a little bit. Welcome, one and all. Welcome, y'all beautiful incontestability people, to another live stream, another Horror Fest. Man, I'm so happy I found this game. I'm so happy. I'm actually excited to play this one. Right, Miss Sinus, you ready? This is a game that's made by the makers of Until Dawn. And if you don't know, I love this game. This game is so dope. Like this game is so dope. Like, they make some epic story survival game-like games. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is Man of Median. If me not done something, I say it good. You know what I mean? And this is the game I always wanted. They have it in 3 series, but I got this one. 2 more series to go, and I'm ready. Hope you guys are ready. Just give me a couple seconds. Again, guys, I'm just sharing this in the Discord. I know you guys was waiting for like a couple of seconds, but I'm sharing this on Discord, okay? I'm sorry, sharing this in my Discord. And with my friends, hopefully they come over and they'll say, totally say, hello. You know what I'm saying? Like, hello, my friends. You guys are shut up, like. But in the meantime, shout out to all my people on Twitch. Guys, I know you might be seeing FIFA 2022. Guys, I need to get back my token to be able to switch everything. And that's going to take 2 to 4 business days because I lost the phone and the phone number that was connected to my account. So I'm currently just going through support right now to sort it out. Alright? So, without further ado, no itching, welcome to the wonderful world of Cytopia. Let's get this game started. Let's go! boy Science coming in the building like comment and subscribe. On fire!
Unruly. That song they hot, daddy.
That one you hot, daddy. Thank you very much. I have an epic intro. Big Glenn.
That song they hot, daddy.
Me nah play no youth.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Charge up.
もうあたくびできれば。
Charge up.
Legal. Drop your gun.
We gonna push X right now. I'm ready, Miss Sinus. Right tonight. I'm playing, man. Woo! 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 Jesus, please. Right down there, I'm ready. How much me I forgot your Bible? Okay, let's go. Miss Sinus, you ready? Okay, what were you showing me, Miss Sinus? I was in the vibe, I was in the mood. I'm so excited. Dopey time! Adjust it until the left one is invisible. What? Me now go down so far, you lucky at this, so me and Tanya lucky. Alright. Boy. Let's go. What in God's? Play with your friends. Embark on your own single player story. So alright, we're gonna play. Oh, so you have two story modes. Play with your friends. Oh, that's multiplayer, right? I'm assuming. Embark on your own single player story. Alright, so which one are we gonna do? Play the single player, right? On this story. Alright, let's go. Do, 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 do. That's you. Are you ready? Ah, boy, I'm ready. I'm afraid you're fat. Boy. Oh, shit. This is like an old time, back in the day soldier. Yeah, that's some old suit. Silas gonna be sad, my friend, yeah? Are you ready?
Alrighty, Buster. We better mosey on back to the ship.
Whoa. Stop
Them
the
Romania.
presses.
What?
Looks like old Charlie Charming's got a
Junk
little
and
business
junk.
to attend to.
你能搏斗吗，勇士？
Can I fight?
Hey, Give me a quarter.
Why?
Gonna find out my future. Let's have it. What's in store for me, Pop?
你对
It's
这
World
些
War
牌
II.
有疑问吗？
What is this? What was that? What the hell is this? Yeah, that mouse.
I guess I just want to know about my son. Will he, is he gonna grow up all right? Things gonna work out for him?
Miss Sinus said I'm supposed to choose the dragon, so go in with the dragon.
看这张牌，告诉我，你看到了什么？
It looks like a fish?
你的财富可能来自任何方向，但是当这样的风吹来，死亡和厄运肯定会随之而来。
Death? Wait, what? What does that mean? Hey, what does that mean? What the hell, man? Hey, bud. Let me get a go at it.
Oh yeah? Think you got the stuff?
你能比你的朋友打得更好吗，勇士？
Fight? Sure. Let me another quarter?
Gonna start a tab.
I'll give it a whirl.
说你可以搏斗。谢谢你来玩。Have a nice day.
Hey, Chuck, we better get back to the ship. We don't want to get stranded.
Come on, man. Just let me ask another question.
We really need to get back. Hold in two! Cargo hold two!
second, guys. Something is wrong with the audio coming from my side. I'm sorry. 1 second. I heard what you said, Adachi. Kimani, what's up, my friend? Welcome to the live stream. Okay, guys, so let's try and see if this is working much better now.
my medical opinion, these men appear to be drunk off their rear. Friends, get this one to the
Sorry
medical
guys, I'm
center.
back.
Throw the other in the brig and keep him there.
Yeah. Oh, sure. Oh, sure. Lightning does strike these things. What in God's living name? What the fuck side that them are carrying? Oh, sure. This is like it's running out and it's gonna infect those. What? This is crazy. Yo, this graphic is dope. Here we go. Guess that's me when I'm young.
What the hell?
What the hell? That That's crazy. Why does you walk like him chief, bruh?
Somebody can tell me what me I got come no me I go yeah? Aye.
Howdy, Charlie. How's your time off?
Just get me out of here already. What the hell's going on up there? I heard aircraft and gunfire.
Me too. And there was a corpse
What?
in the sick bay.
Something's wrong. Let's get out of here.
This dude's face expression very stiff.
Yeah, my son is attacked to me like war partner.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Soldier gone rogue, walk the living in hell. He's going crazy.
What the hell?
Sinuses bad me up a while ago. She's like, boy, you better push that X out, whoop your black.
What was that?
Yo! Y'all saw that a while ago? I see a little boy in a ship. I saw something run past like a little boy a while ago. What?
Hey, Charlie, help! Yeah, you said it. Fubar and then some.
Why is there so much dead blood? What the hell? Look at blood. This is crazy. Dude look like he saw a ghost.
God damn. Another stiff? Who's the lucky winner?
Oh, damn it, Buckley. Last time I saw him in the mess hall, he was fit as a fiddle.
Poor fucker.
All of them dudes look like they just saw a ghost. They died with their mouth open and their arm hands pretty bent up and cranked up or something like that, bruh. see that mist on the ground? That's crazy.
So, is it just me? Or are you getting a real strange feeling right now?
Do I look like a guy who likes to talk about his feelings?
You look like a mess on. Hey, Chuck?
What?
Is he over there?
Oh shit, he's gone.
No?
That's
Feeling
all
alright?
Yo, where the guns at? We're on a military ship, bruh.
Charlie, get over here.
Who's that? That's all ghosts, bruh. Yo, pick up that gun, bruh. Pick up that stuff, playing with me. Kimani, please, what's up? Welcome to live stream, my friend. Woo! Woo! Hear me. The silence is very violent right now. The silence. Stop. Handsome.
Come here. Oh God, no. Charlie!
The hell? Why is there a kid on a boat? Shoot him! Shoot him! What the hell? Trucks! Run! 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 What the hell? What the hell? The sun was just fake that she was sitting out in the bed. Really?
Mayday! Mayday! Is anyone there? Hello,
Thank
can
you very
anyone
much
out there
for
hear
this
me?
Kimani, but I haven't seen any alerts.
Oh, come on! Come on, damn it! What the hell is that?
What the hell is that? Jeez! Oh, shit! I have no idea why I didn't run Kimani. Cause once I shot and I didn't see him die, boy, I'm taking myself out of here. I'm leaving.
Won't you spare me over till another year?
second, guys.
Well, what is this that I can't see? With icy hands getting hold of me. Well, I am dead, none can excel. I open the door to heaven and hell. Too late to all farewell. My soul is doomed, so heed me well. As long as God in heaven dwells, yes, so your soul shall scream in
Okay, that was epic. Is this a psychology again from Until Dawn? Here is.
Hello, and welcome to my repository.
Oh my god.
I am the curator of stories. Stories of love and hate, greed and beauty, life and death. Stories such as this one. I'm here to record the story you choose to tell. You see, this tale is only part written, and the choices you make will complete it, and determine whether the lives of those with whom you are interfering continue to flourish, or whether they are
I'm
snuffed
wondering
out.
if this is before Until Dawn or after.
You see, we each make decisions according to our own moral compass. And we have to live with those decisions or die by them. But you shouldn't fear death. It is, after all, inevitable. It is the tax one pays for having lived, and it comes, eventually, to everybody. Still, none of us want for it to come too soon, do we? As in life, the actions you take matter. The choices you make will affect others. I'll be keeping a close eye on your progress. It's not my place to interfere, but I might be persuaded to offer the occasional hint. Here's one for free. There are pictures in this world that can show you some possible futures. If you can find them and study them, they may just help you to make better decisions. Or should I say, decisions that result in the outcomes you would prefer. That's all for the moment. We'll talk again soon enough. We'll have the opportunity to account for all the actions that you've taken, or whatever mess you've made.
Think we got enough?
If we run out, we can always call for backup.
So, look. I've never been down there before.
Down?
The water, diving. Maybe you could show me how the pros do it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I mean, are you serious? You came out
Miss
here without
Sinus
taking any
told me
lessons?
something awesome.
Kind
She's
of,
like,
yeah.
I bet them dudes gonna go out to sea and find this damn shit, bruh.
Well, anyway, let's get this all loaded up.
Whoa, careful. That dive cam is like super expensive.
Look, bro, be cool.
What?
Julia and Conrad are, you know, how do I say it? Super fucking loaded.
So?
So don't sweat the little stuff, man. It's not cool. Don't make me regret letting you tag along.
Tag along? Seriously? I thought I was invited.
Julia wanted you to come along.
For real? Julia?
Yeah, man. She wanted you to come. And I wanted her to see how cool you are, which you're not. So be cool. Capiche? All right, amigo. Calvary's almost here.
Cool.
Sorry I'm a little snappy. I'm just... We knew medical school would be stressful, you know?
Total shocker.
And man, the long distance thing with Julia, it's been rough.
Yeah, I gotcha. It must be tough. No worries, man.
Huh? Yep. Right on cue.
What?
Conrad doesn't think we have enough beer.
Ah, I guess I keep these in an undisclosed location.
Yeah. Hey! So, can I get your input on something?
Yeah, what?
Just, kind of a big thing I'm trying to make a decision about.
About finishing med school?
No, but it's just kind of a big life choice, you know? I don't know what's the right thing to do.
Go with your gut. If it's right, you'll know.
Hey!
Excited, reckless, bruh. Foolery, relax. She and her brother who's here, bruh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's her man,
Connie,
man.
this is Alex.
Hey.
What's up, man? Conrad. Watch it, sis. Lady killer, right here.
Good to finally meet you, Conrad. This is Brad, by the way, my little bro.
Hey.
Bradley! Feel like I already know you. I've heard so much about you.
Yeah, likewise.
Miss me?
Hey, man. Want to crack a cold one with me?
Every second.
Huh. That's a lot of seconds, cowboy. I mean, I would have gone with minutes.
Yeah, cool. Tight. I love beer.
Hey, you had much better with
Sorry, bud. That excuse does not hold water.
Right on, Bradical. I like the cut of your ship.
It's jib.
Don't ruin it. You ever do any diving before?
No, actually. Never done it before.
Water virgin. Nice. Hey, we're gonna pop your cherry. Together. Gonna be gentle.
Thank
Where's the
you
old
very
crust
much,
bucket
man.
skipper?
Captain of Duke, impatient, courageous. She's the captain of Duke of Milan, bruh.
I'd invite you to make yourselves at home.
Oh
but,
yeah, this is definitely Miss Sinus, bruh.
So is everybody on board and ready to go?
Yeah man, feisty one. Impatient.
Selling, I'm buying.
That is definitely Miss Sinus, bruh. Thank you very much, Kimani. Glad that you're enjoying the gameplay, man.
That's it, get it all out.
Yeah.
You, wanna go lie down?
Yeah. You know, maybe I should. Yeah.
Little boy.
Let's see those hot picks. What about over here?
That's pretty far out of the way.
I'm just thinking about backup targets in case we don't find anything on the dive cam.
Listen, to be honest, I've never heard of this wreck you're looking for. Usually these things are crawling with divers.
Yeah. This one's different.
I'm just saying, if it gets too late, I know some nice places where you can just take, you know, a nice dive.
Brad did his homework. If he says a wreck's here, it's here.
Okay, look, you're the client. I'm just saying we don't have unlimited daylight.
I'm gonna go help Conrad and Julia with the camera. What you got?
Keep your eyes on this.
Brad's calculations were right on the money.
Always bet on Brad.
Kid's a whiz. We should thank him. Bliss! We found the plane! Yeah, looks like World War II. We are ready to dive.
Technically, we should call this in to port authorities as an unreported wreck.
Well, technically.
Are you sure you don't want to do this the right way?
Wait, are you saying we shouldn't dive?
The right way. Come on, what is this, kindergarten?
I had to bring it up.
If we just go down and take a look, who's gonna know?
Fine. As long as you're quick. And don't touch anything.
Damn.
I just can't wait to be the first one down there. Can you imagine? Untouched?
We should be ready to get you guys in the water in a few.
I'll set up the tanks. The boys will do the final checks. Take a look at the camera, see if you can find anything useful.
Righto.
Hey, maybe you should check on your bro?
Misanos is totally annoyed by them already.
Hey, hey.
Hey, sweetie.
I don't think it might be a way in.
What am I looking for? She cool, man. She got her license. She knows what she doesn't. What are we looking for?
You know how to use that?
No. Not really.
You might want to just let it do its thing.
Where are we supposed to go?
What's up? How you doing?
Sorry, that brewski got the better of me.
Hey, all part of the adventure.
Sorry for putting a damper on things.
One sec, guys. We're having some audio sound. We're having some audio issue. One sec. I made a mistake.
No worries, dude. Take more than that just to screw up the trip. Just get some rest. Come back when you're feeling better.
Sorry about that, guys. Having a little audio issue. I just saw something.
Huh. What am I looking at here?
He just got a vision.
There's a little gap in the tail. Take a look.
Hey guys, tanks are ready. Okay, so this is the rebreather. Way cooler than a regular scuba setup. It takes all that CO2 that you'd normally just exhale into the water, and instead, it gets totally reused. Then it reduces decompression time on your way up. State of the art. Okay, O2 check done. Whoa, Eager Beaver, you gotta check your O2 first.
Thanks for setting me straight.
Okay, you little clownfishes. I'm gonna go see what Fliss is up to.
You behave, Connie.
Looking for a first mate, Captain.
You're on camera. I'll take the wheels.
Let's get a before photo.
Out of the frying pan.
All right,
That's
kids.
gonna be a last.
Good
I
to
just
go.
feel it.
Just remember the rules, please.
Maybe we can fire it up again tonight for our private post special.
Are you gonna bring your bang stick?
That front cabin is gonna pop its portholes.
Kenana, man. A big chihuahua. Husband and wife, I go down there, them I go hook in the water.
Whoa, you good?
More or less. Too bad Fliss is so tight.
She acts like we're going to ransack the plane.
Hey, a souvenir would be cool.
It's not like one tiny little thing would hurt anybody. I won't tell if you won't.
Not like I can scan the wreck every night at sundown. There.
That's Adachi, I know, right? You
That's
wondering
it.
what the hell we're doing.
That's gotta be it.
Whoa. That is, like, way bigger than I thought.
Damn. It's pretty intact, too. This is a fucking remarkable find.
Let's swim around a little and find a way in.
Howdy, Captain. You fancy a pint with your second in command?
You are not my second in command.
Third in command.
No.
Freshening your cabin boy.
Still a no.
Your well-paying, dashingly handsome, seafaring client It's requesting the pleasure of your company over a frosty amber liquid.
Pass. I have to stay focused on your friends down there.
Pretty nice ride you got here. Where'd you get the cash? Sorry, I overstepped my bounds. Never mind.
You know what? I better spend some time keeping the Duke of Milan shipshape.
Aye, aye.
She's so auntie and uncle social within 3/4 barrow jeans. Like, what is that?
Why do I keep these around?
What the hell is that? Miss Sina says she's afraid now. It's a 1-bedroom boat, that, bruh.
Wow, that is not your everyday wreck. I hope those clowns don't get me in trouble.
Hey there, how's it hanging?
You look like you're taking full advantage of your relaxation time.
I'm a man of many talents.
So are you beached? Like a whale?
Hey, I just thought, why spend all my time down in the dark when I already like what I see up top?
Nice one. How long you been cooking that one up?
All afternoon.
Good use of your time.
I like to make the most of it.
Mm-hmm. I'll see you later.
She like him with that Turk lady.
Weather looks clear. Duke of Milan, 20 miles north of the coast, over.
Reading you. How can we help? Over.
Inquiring about guidelines regarding an unidentified sunken wreck in this vicinity, over.
Any tampering with a wreck, identified or not, will result in prison or fine or both. Over.
Roger that. Thank you. Over.
Duke of Milan. Duke of Milan, are you reporting a finding? What is the nature of this call? Over. Check the coordinates for Duke of Milan. Possible 1054.
What's that about?
Fishing boat, from the looks of it.
How should we handle this?
We are not doing anything. I'm the captain, so you be quiet and let me handle it. You got that?
Guys, you gotta keep back. We've got divers in the water.
Hey, we got damage here. You see this? Look at our boat.
We can take care of this, man. It's not a problem. What do you think? Like, $10 cover it? Oh, whoops, my bad. Let's make it 20. Well, shoot, you think it's more like 30? I can do 30. All right, you guys drive a hard bargain, but I'm with you. Here, let's just throw in the whole pot.
Conrad said one of the pictures showed an opening.
Conrad, really?
Really? On the rear turret.
Huh. Good on ya, Connie. The turret. We can get in through there.
Could be dangerous.
Y'all saw the same green mist that was in the ship, bruh.
Can I just take a second to say, holy shit, Alex, we did it. I mean, can you believe it?
What the heck is that?
Julia, leave it. You'd have to take your gear off to get in there. Not worth it. That pipe's pretty tight. What if you get stuck without your rebreather?
Don't be such a gonad. I'll be fine.
Gonad? Seriously? Am I dead? What's happening?
Live a little, edgelord.
I chose that one by accident, guys. She gone dead. Zombie octopus. Adachi. Woo! Damn, I missed it.
You do something stupid down here, that's it. One chance, you get that?
I know what I'm doing, okay? I don't need a lifeguard. This says it was a rescue plane, launched from a U.S. base. They were on their way to help out a ship. Bullet holes, all down the fuselage. Brad's gonna flip when he sees this.
They down here swimming, they have no clue that the friend just got raided by pirates.
Check it out. They reconfigured the bomb rack to hold lifeboats.
Interesting.
One of the rescue boats is missing. Think they were using it?
Let's see what else we can find.
Good God. Ugh. Ugh. He's holding something.
This dude even died with his mouth open like he saw ghosts or something. Oh yeah, I saw it too.
Wow. What the hell happened here?
From the look of things, they knew they were goners.
You hear that?
Let's check it out. Want to go first?
Cheap piece of shit.
How can a full knife that broke so easy? What the hell? It looks like they were firing at something this direction.
Oh! I think I wet my wetsuit.
Life gives you lemons.
What? Ew. Pilot and co-pilot. Gotta be. Plane crash not high on my list of ways to perish.
That's an eel right there. That was crazy. Jokes the plane.
We gotta get out of here now.
Oh, a chopper. Damn,
Shark?
you see that shark?
There's a shark? Yeah, come at me, shark!
It's a gray reef shark. Not interested in us. Let's go. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Thought this was the right time, but then didn't know if it was the right time. But I guess no time's the right time.
I don't...
Yes?
Oh.
I know you can't tell because we're underwater, but I'm on my knees right now.
Uh-huh.
This is nice.
Julia, will you marry me?
If I could swim.
Oh, crap.
Alex, I'm sorry.
That's the right one?
I mean, we almost just
Julia, I'm serious.
Alex.
Yeah.
Wow. What a goddamn story.
How's it end?
Yes, I'll marry the shit out of you.
Besides, you married me. Okay, I guess Miss Silence said
All right,
she didn't
handsome
answer
hero.
me, guys, so.
You want to get on with our escape from the Grumbly
Don't go
Death
here,
Trap?
go buy it, Udali.
Fliss, this is Julia. We're coming back up. Over. Hey, where the hell did the boat come from?
Pirates are gone with them.
Wait, Julia, we gotta decompress here.
Whoa!
Damn!
What the fuck? We gotta get up there.
Wait, we have to decompress.
Damn it. Yeah, okay. Decompress, right. Fuck it, I'm going.
Hey, what the hell is going on?
Hey, JJ, don't worry about it.
There was a little, mishap with the barbecue.
Jesus, looked like the whole boat was lit up. What's up with that other boat?
These fishing guys came by and ran into the dive line. Whatever. Who cares, right? What I want to know is, what'd you guys find?
Well, we found the plane, and it is huge, full of cool stuff.
Oh my god, you guys! Can you all just shut up for like 1 second?
Holy shit! Dude, bro, congrats!
Nicely done. Come up and let's celebrate.
You're getting to know these intrepid adventurers then. Alex and his little brother Brad, trying to swim with the big fish. Both seem out of their depth. And Julia, the love of Alex's life, and he the love of hers. What about Conrad, a bold fellow, you might say, or maybe you'd say arrogant. And then there's Captain Fliss, strong, forthright, stubborn. She appears somewhat immune to Conrad's charms, so far at least. Let me reassure you, you help them to make some decisions they'll value later on. And some I think they may regret.
So, we're like 10 seconds out of the jaws of certain death.
Well, certain, I mean, that's relative.
And this meatball...
Meatball?
This meatball pulls a ring out of God knows where.
Yeah, where did you hide the ring?
A lady never tells.
Well, needless to say, this lady was impressed.
Well played there, Mano.
Wasn't Conrad gonna get us some more beers after he helped Fliss?
Maybe he decided, hey, I'll drink some, and then he got drunk. And since he was drunk, he forgot to bring it to us. And he just kept on drinking, and he drank all of it.
Sounds like you've had some experience with this kind of phenomenon.
Yeah, I've been studying it for years.
I'll go look for him.
Oh, we found a bullet lodged in the plane.
Huh.
I left it below deck if you want to check it out.
So, how does it feel to soon be known as the Mrs. Julia Smith?
Honestly, I wasn't sure how it would feel, but now that I hear it, it does have a nice ring.
So, I guess we should talk about wedding plans. Eventually.
Now you're speaking my language.
Been taking lessons.
And I can't wait for us to plan everything together.
I was so worried you might say no.
Of course I was gonna say yes, you dimwit.
I'm happy you did. The second you said yes, I could see our whole future rolling out ahead of us.
I love you, Alex.
Where did everyone go? There was much celebration to be had.
I'll go find them. You just relax. Hey, you see my brother? Or Fliss?
No, I got distracted.
Let's go get him.
Sure.
So, which one is, you know, where the magic happens?
On behalf of my family, I'd like to apologize for my brother acting like a horny 5th grader.
It's okay. I can deal with children.
Conrad, beers, where are they?
Oh, yeah, the beers. I was just getting them now.
All right, now that everybody's here, let's take a look at the navigator's pad we found. Maybe we can figure out why the plane was out here.
Where'd you put it?
It's in your case.
Okay, I'll go get it.
Hey.
So, how's it feel to be a man post-proposal?
Relieving, honestly. Been carrying that around for a while.
Why'd you do it on the dive?
I wanted it to be memorable. It's just not that memorable.
I have to hand it to you. Popping the question on the bottom of the ocean like that is pretty romantic.
I never thought you were the settling type. Proud of you, bro.
Couldn't have done it without such a good bro.
Wait, what do you mean?
You told me to follow my heart.
One, I'm not that savvy. Two, I was talking about med school.
Still, we're over the top, bro.
So, we're going again tomorrow?
Yeah. It seemed a little too dangerous for my blood.
Don't sweat it. I'll go down with you and we'll be fine. I'm gonna go find you.
This is so...
Hey, almost time for barbecuing. Got the pad yet?
Oh, no, not yet. I got distracted.
Got it. Let's go up. Come here, you vixen.
Easy, Tiger. You should get back. Right here.
Hey, whoa there, sailor.
Excuse me?
Careful. If you did decompress too fast, then you should go easy on the beer.
Alex, I'm fine. I think if I got the bends, I would know by now.
Not always. Sometimes the bends can be super delayed. It could be hours or a day or two.
The bends?
Yeah, it's when you come up from a dive too fast.
Yeah, decompression sickness.
Nerd.
Little nitrogen bubbles that get stuck in your bloodstream.
Hurts like a bitch.
It's really serious. Divers get sick and die from decompression sickness every year.
And that is why the good Dr. Conrad says drink them if you got them, because either you're fine or you're going to want a little something to ease the pain.
Julia, I'm telling you not to drink any alcohol right now.
Oh, come on. Telling you to take orders from this guy? Just drink a beer.
Maybe I'll stick to H2O. Don't want to push my luck.
All right, everyone. Check it out. Manchurian gold. Who wants to find some sunken treasure? So what do you think, Captain? Coordinates?
Those are coordinates, all right.
Maybe the plane's destination?
You think we could get there by tomorrow?
It takes a couple hours if the weather stays steady.
Wow. Did you find anything else?
There was a flight plan on board that seemed to indicate it was a rescue plane.
Yeah, that makes sense. After the war, they turned long-range bombers into rescue planes.
And then this plane must have been shot down because it was riddled with bullet holes. I found one lodged in the fuselage.
Huh.
And it was full of life rafts. Must have gotten shot down before they could deliver all the rafts. There was only one missing.
Reckless, all of you.
Excuse me?
I told you to leave everything down there alone.
Oh, come on. We've been through this already.
I'm not talking about the law.
No, hey, they were respectful.
No, you did whatever you wanted. Whatever you took, it was too much.
Oh, come on. No one knows we've even been down there. And I don't think ghosts can talk.
You Americans are all the same, huh? No respect for anyone else's traditions. You should have never gone down to that plane in the first place. It's bad luck. You think you can scavenge down there and it makes no difference, but every single thing you bring back has an essence. It's like a ghost you invite to the surface.
Here we go.
Huh. I never thought about it like that.
You never think about much of anything.
Well, maybe I never heard about such cool ghost stories.
They're not cool ghost stories. Not like for fun. People drown in these waters and you have to respect their resting place.
Damn straight. Brad, you got a fun ghost story, right?
Yeah, I heard a story. Happened right around here, too.
Let's hear it. We could all use a good show.
Scare away, little bro.
Okay, here goes. This story is true. It happened right near here, in an old lighthouse.
Classic setup.
Wait, true story? Where'd you hear this?
If you need to know, it's ripped right from the rotting pages of the terrifying, ancient in-flight magazine I was perusing on our way here. The lighthouse stood atop an atoll, isolated from the rest of the world, a lone beacon in the night, a sailor's respite. The lighthouse keeper would hear the waves pounding the rocky shore. One misty morning, he comes upon a woman, covered in blood. She's stumbling down the beach. He hurries to her aid and she falls into his arms, sobbing. As he hurries her back to the lighthouse, he asks where she's from.
He doesn't waste any time. Smooth.
He of the one-track mind.
The woman answers, I live here, in the lighthouse. My parents are upstairs right now.
Twist.
Of course, the lighthouse keeper says, that isn't so. Of course, he's lived there alone.
Alright guys, give me a couple of seconds. 1 second.
Years. And the woman becomes hysterical and insists her parents are upstairs. So, they go to the top of the lighthouse, and there, splayed out on the floor, is a man and a woman brutally murdered with an axe.
Always an axe. I mean, do people even use axes anymore?
I'm just reporting the facts, cliches and all. Chopped up into little tiny giblets with an axe.
So gross.
Okay, so who did it?
So, the woman, she's still hysterical, says her husband did it. And he's still here, in the closet.
Huh, the husband, eh? So is this a warning to all future brides?
Hey, no backseats. You're locked in.
So the lighthouse keeper creeps over to the closet, opens the door, and, sure enough, there's a man inside. But he's cut his own throat. Horrified, he looks closer to see the dead man's face in the dark. Closer. Closer. And he sees it's his own face. And then its eyes bulge out and screams.
So gross. Hey, super twist.
Nice.
Nice one, Squire.
You have me going. Pretty cool.
Heavy on the cheese there, corn dog.
Okay, you've all had your fun. We should all turn in. There's some weather hitting our way.
No, because according to standard vessel regulation, we're all required one more beer before hitting the hay.
What regulations are these?
It's standard issue regulatory institutional protocol subdivision 1099.
Uh-huh. Where'd you read that?
The internet.
Oh, so you found a website that tells you to drink beer under every circumstance.
I'm just following orders, man.
I'm into this website.
10-4, good buddy. And I'm out.
Don't you see that storm is coming? Bruh. All of them careless, bruh. The backside, that tree is very nice. Miss Science is playing while I eat. It's Call of Duty. Science is playing while I eat, guys.
Julia, you okay?
I think so. Hey! Hey! Damn it! Stop it! Almost free.
Hey, so, good news, bad news.
Bad news? I don't see how this could get any worse.
The bad news is these are kind of maybe the fishermen I pissed off earlier.
Oh, God damn it, Conrad.
Great, just great. And the good news?
I recognize them.
How was that good news?
I thought you were gonna ask the good news first.
You're such an idiot, Jesus.
Hey.
Alex, what are they gonna do to us?
I don't even want to know. I want to get out of here. I'm in a lot of danger.
Guys, we gotta get untied. Like now. Come here.
It's okay that you're here.
Shit. It's no good. Come on.
Fucker. I'll be back for you later.
Nobody knows you're out here, little lady. You're all alone with us now. Let's make the most of it.
You can go fuck yourself, you piece of shit.
You're the little lady.
What do you fuckers want?
Slow down. Easy.
We'll finish with it later.
Yo, Miss Silas is tense.
Be on your best behavior, little man.
Julia, you're coming back.
Oh, Jesus, Conrad. Wait, no! Alex!
Stop it! Let her go! You bastards!
Hey. Dipstick. Shut the fuck up.
I don't think they're gonna hit her. They haven't hit Fliss.
Fliss sure seems to be getting buddy-buddy with him. Did you see my brother?
No, I didn't. I hope he's all right.
All right. Turn around.
Good question. Miss Sinus was asking, where is his brother?
Don't let them see your hands.
From before
So we get Julie back.
Bruh.
Maybe we can take them by surprise.
You think he has nothing to do with this?
They're coming.
Fuck. Motherfuckers.
Or did they take him away?
Hey, are you okay? What did they do to you?
I'm fine. They didn't touch me. They asked about our parents.
What?
How much money they have. Alex, I'm so sorry.
What is it?
They took my ring.
Julia, it's okay. It's okay.
Now we just have to wait and see what they want to do with us.
I'm reading watching the brother and the black girl.
Storm's 8 miles away.
They came here on a boat. Maybe we can take it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a speedboat.
The main guy here. He's got a gun.
Well, at least one of us can get on their boat. Get some help.
You also good point.
These fuckers need to pay. We gotta take them down. They can try to fight back, but if we had the gun, they'd be forced to surrender. 7 seconds. I can get out through the window. Gotta break these off first.
Too loud. They'll hear it.
We're gonna break them during the thunder.
Good call.
I climb out the window, climb around the side, and hit them from there.
We'll take them from the other side. Don't leave us here, okay? Okay, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What the hell are you thinking?
Conrad, go to the other side. We'll hit them together.
You pretty stupid.
Conrad!
Bring them downstairs. Take this. Use it if you have to.
Sit down. Over there. You, right here. Sit. Now.
Arrêtez, bande de cons! C'est mon bateau! Stop!
Ferme-la, ou je te mets mon poing dans la gueule. Olsen! Come here!
Which one of you is gonna tell me about this Manchurian goo?
Look at his eyes, it's nasty. Where's his brother? Did they knock him out in the room?
fucking blew our best shot. We could have gotten the boat back and you blew it.
Yeah, I get it.
All right. Shut the fuck up!
There is no harm in just talking.
You wanna talk? Keep the volume down.
I'm just gonna say it. Flitz has gotta be in on this. She and these guys, they travel in the same waters. She's the captain and they barely laid a hand on her? I bet you told them about the Manchurian gold. They're in cahoots.
Are you out of your mind? How did you come up with this bullshit? How fucking dare you, you overprivileged asshole?
You're all in this together. This is a trap, and you set us up.
Yeah, asshole! Put a cork in it. Sit still, all of you.
You, come with me. Find out how long the storm is gonna last. Will you try anything? Anything, fish. And there be consequences. Get it?
Duke of Milan requesting weather update. Over.
Duke, read you. Everything okay? Over.
Hey, just requesting any information about this storm you can give us? It's a little bit hairy out here. Over.
Big storm coming in from the east. Gonna hit you pretty hard, but should pass through your coordinates within an hour. You sound a little stressed, Duke. Please let me know if you need assistance. Not used to a little weather freaking you out.
Yeah. Okay. A-okay out here. We can handle a couple of puffs and drops of rain. Thanks for the info. We'll see you for drinks back on shore in a couple of days.
Everything's better when we help each other out. You get that? Don't you?
Wait! Okay, yeah, just cut it all loose.
Hey! Move it! Now!
Thanks, I guess. Anyone know about Brad? Is he hiding somewhere?
I don't know where he is.
We can't leave him down there. He could drown.
We need to get him out of there. He's not safe. Brad, buddy, come out!
Move!
Everyone's still alive. Things could have been quite different.
That was crazy. Surprised that everybody's still alive.
Kind-hearted creature I am, I'd like to offer you some forewarning of what's to come. Tempted?
Damn, that voice. What was that?
You're going it alone. Independent. Admirable. Possibly foolish. We'll learn soon enough.
Damn, that voice clip with the scene.
Anyway, now that you've reached a point of significant distress, I presume you're eager to get back to your story. But here's the thing. Everything may not be entirely as it seems.
That's
Probably
crazy.
shouldn't
See what
say.
I just took the book, and he just made an awesome point. Everything may not seem as they are, you know? He took a wrong book. And you wrong out of the book, bruh.
La porte! La porte! Vite, la porte!
Junior, retire la tête d'animal.
Damn, they're on the ship. They don't even know what kind of ship this is. They probably think that this is the gold ship. You stupid mother.
No thanks.
Go on, keep moving.
Il est énorme ce navire.
Cet endroit, c'est un foutu cimetière.
J'espère qu'on est seul ici.
Oh là, regarde.
This is
Over there.
crazy.
This whole place is a floating death trap.
Keep moving. Move.
What the hell? Oh, shoot! Woo!
Imagine what's crawling around this ship. Rats, leeches.
I did not sign up for a trip to Creeptown.
Something about this place is making my hair stick up so far it's gonna jump out of my neck.
Pourquoi on se tire pas d'ici? On préférerait être n'importe où ici. J'ai plus vraiment envie de savoir ce qu'on va découvrir là.
what these dickheads want with us.
Ah, damn.
Oh shit!
Watson, il y a une porte ici. Okay, all of you, into the room.
They know this place quite well. I guess it's their place, I guess.
Hey! It's pitch black in here! Give us a light! Oh. Thanks. What the hell is this fucking place?
Dude, even those meatheads seem spooked.
You think this ship is the Manchurian Gold?
We are in the vicinity of those coordinates.
We can't just sit around. We need a plan.
Yeah. We're not exactly in the best position to be making any moves.
The second they let their guard down, we gotta take advantage of it and get off the ship.
I know, man, but I don't know if I got much in me. They knocked me around pretty good.
We'll get you out of here, Conrad. Don't worry.
They swiped our distributor cap. Gonna be difficult to get anywhere without it.
So, okay, what exactly is a distributor cap? Now pretend you're talking to someone who doesn't know anything about boats.
Well, typically, a distributor cap is designed to distribute voltage from the coil to the correct rotor, which in turn, it's an essential part of the engine. We're not taking the Duke of Milan anywhere without it.
While those guys are out panning for Manchurian gold or whatever they think they're gonna find on this floating coffin, we gotta take advantage and look around for a way out of here. Fliss, I just wanted to say that, I might have gotten things kind of wrong back there.
Excuse me?
I may have kind of prematurely come to the conclusion that maybe, you know, you're working some kind of side deal with these guys, or whatever. But I mean, obviously that's not true. They're being just as bad to you as they are to us, so, yeah.
Allow me to translate. He's saying that he's sorry.
Well,
Well, your apology is kinda accepted.
Cool. Cool.
Look what I found over here.
Come on. Fuck. Give me a minute. I'm gonna see if I can get it off.
I wonder why this was ripped off.
Come take a look.
eyes peeled for another opportunity. You feel me?
What do you think this ship was?
Miss J. Rivera. I miss you like crazy. 3 months until my next leave and jumping in your arm. 3 months I've been on some shore leave with the guy. Had a few beers, but don't worry, I keep everything ready for you if you catch my drift. Shata punani pum pum. Ibatagi pum pum. How's work? I hope the boss of yours is leaving you alone. I know you can take care of yourself, but I feel hopeless being so far away, and I want to keep you safe. Your woman, J. Rivera, or whatever I want him, send on the front soon. Hey guys, my son is hate when I behave like this, cause I'm really not this kind of person. Okay, so what do we find? Oh, I found something on the table. This is a newspaper from back in the days, way back when. "24 British archaeologists, big word, have gone missing from the Zagros mountain of Iraq. The Hot God's Son expedition arrived into the kingdom in September last year with the stated goal of unearthing the 1947. Hey, that's the year when my mom's born. Hey.
T'as vu l'endroit? Ça tombe en ruine, Olson. Et j'ai pas les outils pour y arriver.
Fais ce que je te dis. Et c'est tout.
Va te faire foutre.
Quoi? Qu'est-ce que t'as dit?
Rien.
Ton du cul. Arrêtez ça. Ta gueule, Junior. Tu restes ici et tu surveilles les prisonniers. Prisonniers? On est en...
I'd love to see the official paperwork that says this hunk of junk is not gonna fall apart in any second.
Guys, I'm trying to figure out what the hell do I do? Oh jeez, look at his face. Damn, you got a whole lot of markings, boy. Is those tattoos or bruise?
Any luck?
I can't get it open.
Hey, come here.
If we could bust it open, freedom.
Adachi, I just have some sad news from the anime world. The creator of Yu-Gi-Oh! The cartoon, um, Ta- Kazuki Takashi, that's his name. They found him dead pretty much while snorkeling out by the sea. So that's definitely a sad news for the anime world. Condolences to the Takashi family. You know, yeah. As a child growing up, I used to watch um, that anime. It was cool. You know, yeah. I didn't even know if the series ended. I think it did because I haven't heard anything about it. But condolences, man, and prayers to the Takashi family, and we're praying for the whole anime world too. Wow, that's crazy. A lot of people dying that we know, man. Crazy. 1 second, guys. Let me go use the bathroom quickly. Yeah, this Takashi is his last name, Adachi. He's the creator of Yu-Gi-Oh! I don't know if you remember that animation. that big animation. When you have time, go in Google and type Yu-Gi-Oh. I'm sure you know what Yu-Gi-Oh is. He's the creator of Yu-Gi-Oh. So, yeah, he died while snorkeling. They found him at the beach at least. I'm wondering what happened. Wow.
Oh, we don't know where an event like this would go. I think we just gotta find out.
Want me to just smash through this wall?
Oh yeah, sure. Big man on campus.
Someone should create a distraction. This is gonna be loud.
Wait. Maybe we should try barricading the door instead.
With the demo place.
Come on. There's gotta be some stairs around here.
And there's the mystery of the smelling socks and pungent briefs. I just want to know where the hell they all went.
There should have been dozens of people on board. Hundreds.
How could they all just vanish and leave all of their stuff behind?
Something doesn't add up. You hear that?
sound? Then no, I didn't hear it.
You know you did.
This place is fucking massive.
Oh my god, that's a bone. That is so nasty. Of a rat. Ew, Miss Hannah, that's so nasty. Like, oh my god, let me hit it down with a truck. That is so nasty, Becky. Ah!
Someone down there, all right. Shh. Everyone quiet. I'm gonna go get it. We gotta be careful. Could be be a trap. We gotta take the chance. Okay. Keep an eye out. Yo, Brad, come on, we gotta think this through, man.
Oh my God, will you wait?
Holy crap. I'm surprised that ship's still standing from 1947, but then again, these ships can last way longer than that.
Come here!
God damn it, they're taking place.
Shut the fuck up, man. Where are the others?
Arrête de crier, j'essaie d'entendre ce qui se passe.
Je crie pas.
Ta gueule. Je veux savoir où sont les autres.
All right, I see you. Come on, step out. Stand over there with her.
Damn, the phone me in his sons, bruh.
We're gonna follow them. Don't let them out of your sight. What are we doing?
We know what I'm following them. Sometimes I wonder if she's on my side or she's on the enemy's side.
I got this.
One second, everybody. Video look on senior, yeah?
Okay, 1 second, guys. Let's check it on something. I'm sorry. Always. Why they don't fix this bug? Yeah, they still have this bug where you're logging in, and it takes forever. Checking on Teespring, guys. Are looking at my merch? Yes! We delete all of these because they're a waste of time. That's why females love money so much. That's all they think about, nothing else. Couldn't you miss to say, you don't get no Jesus? I say, or something like that. Just I say. She always think about food, by the way, guys. Welcome back in that shit. Alright guys, we're back. Sorry about that. Was checking on something.
What was that? You hear that?
Maybe we hit an iceberg.
Not funny. What is with this place?
I'm telling you, we hit an iceberg. We're going down.
Wait a minute. We've been here before.
I don't think so.
I swear we've been here before, Alex. Have you been leading us in circles?
Come on, guys, we gotta keep moving.
Soup du jour, mademoiselle?
As if you know your way around a kitchen.
Hey, babe. Once we settle down, I will be your personal chef de cuisine.
Alright, what is this place?
I'm thinking we gotta go through here.
you?
that?
I mean, did you hear anything?
All right, we should keep moving.
I know I saw something. It was moving in the shadows.
Rats. Probably just rats. That's all it was.
Don't fucking laugh at me! Alright, we've been here before. I'm sure of it. We're going around in circles.
What do you want to do? Turn around?
We've seen all this before.
Cool it, Jay. We don't have a lot of options.
Okay, no. This isn't working for me.
What?
Gross caskets and crappy chapels.
Oh,
Not my scene, you know?
Oh, shucks.
You're right. It's gross and it's crappy. Gotta get out of here toot sweet.
And we gotta find Fliss.
Okay, so can we just get the fuck out then? What is this?
Look where them there, remember them there? From the starting from 1947? Yeah, boy.
Well, that's weird. Hey, we got a name on this guy.
What are they even doing here? I don't think stuck on a ghost ship for all eternity sounds like a good plan A.
Who cares where they're from or where they're going? They're dead and we're not, so let's keep it that way.
Look at this one. Like for a kid or something.
I don't want to know. Let's get out of here.
Yes! Maybe that's little baby Dracula. Right there, and those are his parents, and they're lying in the dirt from their native country.
And then they all jump on Conrad and eat off his face. The end.
That's some serious locks in these caskets.
Why would they be chained and locked?
Well, that's one way to end a relationship.
What's the matter? What is it?
Look!
What?
Yow!
Seriously? Are you trying to freak me out?
Huh?
Wanna see that?
Can we just get out of here?
Janua. Wow, that's crazy. Let's go, guys.
Can we please hurry? I'm done sightseeing.
Roger that.
We gotta get Fliss. No time to lose.
What the hell is making that sound?
And the green mist, guys.
Oh. I saw spick and span. Fuck!
Hey, this
What
is no
the
time to
hell?
be fucking around.
They
I'm
had just
serious.
moved
I
a
can't
while
take
ago.
it.
What? That dude just moved. Oh, shit.
Don't touch it! Why did you touch it?
But Miss Sinus says that her heart is beating fast. That was crazy. I know it's kind of
Connie?
getting up. Oh, shooks, where is he?
Connie!
He was walking a while ago. What the hell?
Connie, where the fuck are you?
He was behind her. What?
Where's Conrad?
He must have gone on ahead.
Connie!
Hey, Conrad!
Where the hell did he go?
She making a whole lot of noise, no cap. Folks, y'all see that dude with the sledgehammer? What? Look at Master Splinter, Ninja Turtle.
Where are you taking me?
Now, why would I tell you?
Congrats, you've received 100 messages today from Restream Chat. Thank you very much. Oh my god, thank you very much.
That song they hot, daddy.
Some achievement.
You're going, damn it!
And somebody tell this girl to stop wearing her little sister shorts. What kind of small shorts is that? Look like she was wearing baby Sinus shorts. Bruh.
Hey! Back off! Leave that alone.
Damn, she was gonna take
Come on.
She was about to take up a wrench, bruh. They're carrying them to some far places. Damn.
Ready for what?
Ready to take him out.
Cram it and keep moving. Stop.
What was that? What the hell is
All right,
that?
come out! Show yourself! Damn it! These fucking places cursed.
Look at this. What was that noise?
What noise? Olsen!
I think he's blown a fuse. Huh? Haven't we been here before?
Jesus!
Oh Christ. Oh Christ. That guy. That
That guy's probably still right here with us. I mean, you die on the ship, Yoko stays on the ship.
Come on. You have no idea what you're talking about.
What do you think happened to this guy? Face looking like that.
I don't know. It's like nothing I've ever seen.
I don't know what the fuck this is all about, but we gotta keep moving and find Olsen. Now!
Olsen? Merde. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
What was that?
Thank you very much for watching the live stream. Big up to everybody that's here. Mega man. Hey, I sweet and sour chicken boy, stop push me. But fry rice boy, no push me. No push me, your backside.
Okay, what just happened?
I don't know.
So me have go on that corner. Why me have go on there? That don't make no sense. Why? Why me?
No feeling good, me ang obal, yeah, man.
Why?
One.
Me not go on there. Come go on. Like fall. Why me have go on there? Why me, Lord?
Hey, what? Come on, we should keep moving.
We need to find a way up on deck.
Jesus, please don't never pay them like bill.
What was that?
Beats the hell out of me.
Hey,
in the starting of the game when they came down here, the soldiers. Same exact area until they died.
Jesus. What happened down here?
Oh, shucks! Watch the replay, Miss Sands. Watch the replay. No, you watch it. Why you go up to your part? Go up a little bit and watch. Yeah. Never saw any head. Until you go back too far. Zai, come on. So that way back. Lock him in. She gone.
Hey, are you sure you know where we're going? Fliss? Fliss? Hello? Fliss? Fliss? Where'd you go? Great. All these hallways look exactly alike. Hey! Fliss, hey! Where were you?
I can't answer him. What's wrong with her? And her shirt changed, bruh. Something right that girl you want dirty girl. I'ma go shopping.
Gotta get out. Gotta get out.
Huh. That's weird.
Why am I going around in circles?
Are you absolutely sure?
Shut up!
And keep
What the
moving.
hell? I'm seeing another person now. What? This is the second time.
Just keep on moving. Oh, hell.
This is the third time I'm passing the same area. What?
Wait. What is going on?
And in God's name, he
Hey.
died a while ago, bruh.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Nobody here with you, boy.
How?
I see that a while ago. Woo-hoo! This the game started get sweet now. I didn't see that spirit a while ago. None of y'all. Jesus, Father, brother, sister. See the bullet is got. It's just on the ground. Oh, shoot! What the hell? That's his brother. What the hell? What the hell?
Alex? No!
I'm glad I'm getting out of here right now.
So now what?
I'm gonna do what every black man's gonna do right now.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
His brother face is half gone.
Who's that? Who's there? Get away! Skeletons. Skeletons.
What the hell?
Skeletons?
A lot of skeletons.
Where's the skin, guys? Some sort of altercation.
You're not supposed to be out here. I'm not supposed to see this. No. No, I'm not hearing this. I'm not hearing this.
Alright guys, so we have more sad news. Sorry to cut the live stream. The Prime Minister of Japan was shot while giving a stream. The Prime Minister of Japan was shot in the back of his head while giving a speech, or in his back, well, from behind. He was shot from behind while giving a speech. It's one craziness to... yeah, with a double shotgun, that double barrel shotgun. So I'm assuming he's dead, right? He's dead, right? Okay, good. So right now, I think it happened like 4 minutes ago. 4 minutes ago, that's when it happened. So while giving a speech, he was shot from behind, the Japan Prime Minister. So just pray for him, guys. It's crazy. So first is the creator of Yu-Gi-Oh! That died while snorkeling at the beach, and now it's the Japan Prime Minister. That is crazy. Oh my God. Kimani, what's up, man? Big up to yourself. How you doing, man? Shout out to my brother Kimani from my dad, the mother.
Alex? Julia?
This no look right.
Oh.
Jesus Christ, the double move!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
That no look right at all. Pick up yourself, come on in. Respect.
You guys see that?
What in God's name? This is called from that mist.
What is going on here?
You see when Mariah Carey they sing about there's a hero. If you find it in your heart, don't be a hero. Run, guys. Be the cowardly dog. Don't be a hero. Wow, this place is pretty. We on a date, Miss Sanders. Look here. That was so crazy.
Not
That
right.
was so crazy.
What is going on here?
What the hell is this? Look at this, Miss Sanders. That's crazy. Look at this. Yo, look at this, guys. A fountain of blood. I'm there looking around for clues, guys. For clues. What do you call that star thing again in the middle? This is crazy.
Come on, Fliss, keep your head on straight.
What the hell is that? What kind of performance is this?
This is too weird.
Why is there a coffin right here, bruh? Jokes! Coffin filled with blood, bruh. Finally somebody made it outside, even though they're still on the ship, bruh. What the hell, she turned back around and the whole place changed up, bruh. What kind of spooky ass ship is this? Boy, if you don't... Y'all see that? Just saw a man a while ago in a suit. Am I tripping?
Brad. Hey, Brad. What are you... Hey, what's wrong?
What are you doing? Stop it! Stop! Brad! Stop!
What the fuck?
Wait!
Brad getting crazy as a mother. I should have got my Glock and shot you, damn. Boy, stop playing with me, don't let me mad.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？もうは匠でギゼブ。
They found that. Oh, she broke the damn thing. She fell in the water. She dead as a mother.
What? You okay?
Thanks. I could have drowned. I'm sorry, but you did the right thing. It was him or us.
Fuck!
are you running?
They smart. They did the same thing I said. Run.
You wanted to surprise me with the whole pirate adventure thing, and I gotta say it was a good idea. No, it was. I mean, it's funny. I think it's funny, but I think the guys you hired are taking it a little too far, maybe. And don't be cheap. I mean, you didn't feel like paying top dollar, and that's what you get. You get these guys that are not cream of the crop. They're taking it a little too far. You know, you get my drift? So if you want to feel free to pull the old plug, get rid of these guys, I'm with you. I mean, these guys are fucking crazy. They're chasing us around the ship.
Alex! Juliet!
I gotta find everybody. Need something. Something is fucking with me. It's fucking with me, man. It's just fucking with me. That's it. I gotta find everybody. Whatever this is, it's just fucking with me, okay? It's fucking with me.
What in God's darnation nation is that?
Not even one. Yeah, I should really take a look behind this door, shouldn't I? Should. But should I? Yeah, I should. Well, all right. So how do I pry this son of a bitch open? I gotta find something to pry the door open. If anybody knew what the hell was going on in this place, it would have been the captain.
appreciate the love and the support, my friend. I don't want to finish it right now. Because I'm even falling asleep right now, bruh. This game is a big game. It takes a while to finish. Alright guys, I'm sorry but I'm tired. I need to go get some rest and spend some time with my sinus and scratch her leg and hug and take my time, just drift to sleep. I'm tired as a tide. And we have a beautiful vlog for you guys tomorrow. This idea is from Miss Sinus. Yeah, she tried to push me. Yeah, to the very best that I am. We gonna make some moves, man. Y'all gonna see. Y'all be so happy for us. You know what I'm saying? I got faith. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Y'all the greatest in the world. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. For more Horror Fest games, alright? So shout outs to Adachi. And shout outs to Kimani. Shout outs to everybody for watching this live stream, man. I love you guys very much. And God bless you. Alright? And remember that nothing can stop us. Kiss God our rock. Whoop. What's up guys? What's coming in the middle? Like, comment and so.